Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. Here we will try to understand throughput of pure aloha. So what this throughput of pure aloha will try to understand? We are not going to understand the derivation for the formula. So we will just try to understand what is that which is going to represent the throughput of pure aloha, and we will try to understand just by using the formula. The derivation of this formula is beyond the scope of this course. If you want the proof for that, please go through the research paper on pure aloha. You can clearly get that research paper because it is involved with lot of distributions involved in it. It is Poisson distribution and all those concepts are involved in it. Please try, if you are very much interested in the concept, you can get it. Please try to search for throughput for pure aloha research paper. So you can get that paper and you can easily understand that concept. So now the throughput for pure aloha is S is equal to, so it is represented by S. It is S is equal to G into 2 power minus 2G. Sorry, e power minus 2G. It is e power minus 2G. So here the G is the number of systems that are trying to access the medium, the number of systems which are trying to access the medium during the transmission, during the vulnerable time for the data frame. The number of systems which are trying to access the medium. So it is represented, G is representing those number of systems. So the maximum throughput is obtained when the value of G is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in the sense half of the data frame. So that is what we call it as. So the G is represented as 1 by 2. So within this time, within the vulnerable time, when the value of G is equal to 1 by 2, we are going to get the maximum, throughput, and the throughput value is 0.184. So we are going to get its value as 0.184. in the sense it is 18.4%. So the maximum throughput of the channel which is using the shared medium, which is using the pure aloha, is having a maximum efficiency throughput of 18.4%. So in order to access the channel, there is a possibility of just 18.4%, which is very, very, very less. So in order to avoid the disadvantages that we have in the pure aloha, we are having another mechanism called slotted aloha that we will try to understand in our later class. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.